Hi everyone, and welcome to another NALA mini demo. Today, we're going to focus on our second module, performance management. As some of you know, NALA has three different verticals: culture and leadership over here, performance management, and talent and succession. And today, we're going to go a little bit more in depth with performance management. The first thing that you need to know is that by activating NALA's performance management, you can design and automate your own performance cycle. You can set up goal planning and setting, and you decide notifications, tracking, workflows. You can also run, you can set up some quick check-ins, or you can run full annual review process, and you can also have skills-based assessments. What I'm going to show you right now is basically when you're thinking about starting a performance assessment, in NALA, you can always first get a test process so that maybe you and your team can understand what's like, go through the experience before your managers are going to do that. You can create a target audience. You can personalize your own process, and within that is very flexible. You can maybe one review is just going to have some questions, but maybe the annual review you just want to bring in goals evaluation and also skills assessment around the role of the people. The other thing, it's you can decide, of course, the timing from when to when this is going to be happening. This is just, of course, an example. Decide what's the name of the process. Maybe you want this not for everyone, but just for a group of people that are not going through the new hire experience process. You can customize notification. Think of the launching, the reminder for people that haven't answered, even the closure. And you can tell NALA from time to time when do you want them to send the reminders. And you can enable a calibration stage. And this is very important. So as we go back to the performance management section, the cool thing about this is, like, if you just had an annual review, this is where you're going to just go. You're going to select the process and you're going to get full visibility of that went. When the process is open, you are able to see participation. When not, you're going to be able to see the full report, compare and contrast with other periods that you're setting, and as always, download the Excel file. The same thing goes with goals, skills, and the action plans. Around skills, you can, if you want to understand more about skills assessment and how the skills directory works in NALA, I invite you to watch the other mini demo specifically on skills assessment. But just to summarize, within the performance management module in NALA, you can set goals and just keep an eye on that. You can set up quarterly or mid-year reviews with just some questions or maybe goals update, you decide. And then you can also run like more in-depth reviews where you don't want just to analyze goals, but also maybe skills assessment, everything with the full capability of reporting from NALA. I hope you enjoy this, and if you want to learn more or you would like to understand more how this works and if we're the right fit for your performance management cycle, go to www.nalarocks.com and let's schedule a discovery call. Have a great day.